guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a simple hat. So the first thing, you begin with a knot, your hook inside like this. You make a chain of 3. So inside your magic knot you crochet 8 double crochets, guys. Sorry, 8 double crochets on top of the knot. So here I go. I'm having my 8 double crochet. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a chain of 3, and inside the hole I make a slip stitch. Then here I'm going to make a single crochet up, this single crochet, then half double crochet. Then from here I begin again with my double crochets. So here when I arrive the middle part, so this is the middle part of my work that I begin. So when I arrive there, what am I going to do, guys? I'm going to make 1 double stitch, then back to the same hole I make 3 loops on top of my hook, and I crochet a triple double crochet, then a double crochet, so when I arrive here now, I'm going to crochet a single crochet, half crochet, guys. Then here half crochet in the same, another half crochet here, single crochet. So here half crochet up this way, another half crochet, then here double crochet. And I'm working on my double crochets, and I'm going down. So here I arrive the middle section. I make 3 loops on top and back, double crochet, double crochet, that's the corner. So here half stitch, single stitch, single stitch, single stitch. So you can see how the work is going, guys. So I continue like that. So here make a single stitch, half stitch, double stitch, double stitch, double stitch. So I arrive here. So I make the first double stitch, guys. Then in the middle I make a triple stitch like that. Back in the same hole, double stitch. Then I start going around this other way. And see, half stitch, single stitch, single stitch, and single stitch. So you can see that's my little beautiful hat, guys. Then I cut my yarn. I'm going to use the yarn to sew this yarn training there inside. So guys, here go my little beautiful hat, as you can see. Thank you all for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.